Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Mira token. Now before I start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Mira is a decentralized blockchain protocol designed to act as a trust and verification layer for artificial intelligence, transforming AI outputs into cryptographically verifiable claims, solves AI reliability. It addresses the core problem of AI hallucination and bias by using a network diverse AI models to reach consensus on the validity of any output. Hybrid blockchain architecture. The network uses a combination of peer of work and proof of stake mechanism secured by economic incentives where node operates stake Mira tokens. Fixed supply utility token. The native Mira token has a maximum supply of 1 billion and is used for staking, paying verification fees, and governing the protocol's evolution. Mira project institution rating is 3.9. Mira token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 309.78 million. Mira token. Mira token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion and financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.